Menteri sorkar bape yaknat art and culture ba polling do manta ka janmit ka khatsau trik luber ula play pai ba ya ka Meghalaya International Film Festival baningkong yak ba unpun kut pat hak khat pratrik banai ber ya ka ni film festival la penlong da ka Meghalaya Filmmaker Association hapo ka jelang ba commander sang pliang bat hak ni ka festival on pen iru ka film hadu on represently hakini ki sansngi ya ka ba la penlong hau suso tham uruturiam la penphu penpieng ya ka ni ka janmit kadai lembah kijingwa bak jingshat ya bala kring sisa ipai ba ki balawan bansaki ya kan ni kata masa uba komandar sang pliang habakren uluong ba kum kinong sna film kidon ya ka jingkerman baskem hapo kan ni ka jilam jong sorkar MDA tu kabala sim ya kan ni stinjam ban kersian ya kan ni kata masa
We need to encourage our own entrepreneur to come up, setting up various theater across Meghalaya so that we will be able to compete not just from the regional film, but I know for sure that we will be able to screen across the country and the globe as well. Filmmaking is all about telling stories. We have our own very unique stories of Meghalaya, and I know some of our filmmakers, they will come up with new ideas, and yes, even the stories about history of Meghalaya. Once we tell our story, I know the global audience will love it. And I know, and I'm sure, this very own festival, our festival, it will help the state, it will help our people, and I know we can contribute through filmmaking to the state exchequer in one day, and I know this one day, the film industry will become the industry that can contribute the revenue of the state. This is, I know for sure. Why? Because I have faith in the government. In whatever we will discuss from now on, the facilities, the infrastructure to attract the Bollywood, to attract any regional way to shoot here in our own state, I know this will happen. In last few weeks, we just have a summit whereby we from the filmmaker and from the academician, we have discussed for the film policy in Meghalaya. I know under the leadership of Conrad Samba and yes, our very own dynamic Papolindo, we will be soon have our own film policy.
Nakaliang ba Papolindo habakren kum kongsan lapan pa ba omtang kejela kabala penanam ha kum kari jongkilo handrai labanaru ha ka jingbun jongki khun samla ki batbit ba ha kisap ki phong la kalong ha kam akplim bat kiwe ru.
Friends, we here to celebrate Meghalaya's potential. And that potential goes beyond our being able to set up state-of-the-art cinema halls. That is just a given. It should and it will be done. I think I can say your wish is my command now. We're here to elevate, we're here to energize, we're here to also enhance the stature of Meghalaya. And as a state, we once considered ourselves, part of the periphery. Today, we are no longer on the periphery. We're very much part of the consciousness of this country, whether they like it or they don't. Those who don't, we still continue to. But Meghalaya has arrived, Shillong has arrived, and it will only be a matter of time be for what we lit up today as small sparks, will tomorrow the rest of the world will look to Meghalaya as an inferno of talent, creativity, and huge, huge potential.